let me show you how to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. Now, if you get in your car with your phone and you wanted it to be able to navigate you directly on the screen or through the audio speakers, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head into the settings on your iPhone or Android. We need to make sure a couple things are turned on. The first thing is within Bluetooth. Of course, you need Bluetooth turned on. That's how your phone connects to Google Maps. So make sure to turn this on and make sure you're connected to your car. In my case, a Grenadier. So you can see I have this turned on, and essentially this will allow my phone to connect through Bluetooth to my Grenadier whenever I'm in it. Now, in addition to Bluetooth being on, and you might need to go in and manually tap it to try to connect, you also want to make sure CarPlay is turned on. This will allow your phone to project the map, either Google Maps or songs that you're playing, phone calls, all of that stuff. But you need to turn on CarPlay. So you can see I can go in and set up CarPlay. It says if your car supports CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button, and it should show up under here. You can see, again, you can go in here and make sure CarPlay is turned on. Now, we've turned everything on in the settings of your phone, but we also need to enable them within Google Maps to make sure it works seamlessly. So we need to go to your settings associated with your Google Maps account. Now, within here, you can see I can go to the navigation, and you want to make sure if guidance audio is set to mute, you won't be able to hear it. So switch it to unmute. And for guidance volume, you can choose softer, normal, or louder. Normal usually is perfectly fine. And now this is important to play over the Bluetooth. This will allow the guidance as it talks to you and says, all right, turn right on, Smith Road or something like that. It will play over the Bluetooth. And you might also want to test out play as a Bluetooth phone call. So you can try to test it out and see if it works just with this. But if it doesn't, turn it on, and essentially it will mimic that you're getting a phone call whenever Google Maps navigates you to turn right, turn left, a stop sign, all of those different things.